In this video, we are discussing user-defined exceptions. Let us go for a demonstration on user-defined exceptions. Here we have defined one class. The name of the class is below age exception, which extends the exception class here. And there is a constructor, and this is a constructor of the class below age exception. And from this constructor, it is calling the base class constructor. Here the base class is exception, and the base class constructor has been called using super, passing this argument string as input argument. So age is under 18. We have defined another class. The name of the class is application, where we are having this name, course and age. So three instance variables we are having. Application is the name of the constructor, which is taking this name and the course as input argument. So this name and course, the instance variables are getting initialized here. Age is also getting initialized with the default value of 18. This is non-parameterized constructor. Obviously the name of the constructor will be same as that of the class name. So the name of the constructor is application, which is non-parameterized. And from this non-parameterized constructor, we are calling the parameterized constructor. So these null string comma null string. So here you can find that this is actually referring to this parameterized constructor, which takes two string objects as input argument, and here we are passing this to null strings here. So now we are having another method, that is the set age, which takes this age as input argument and which throws the below age exception, when this input age, the input argument age is less than 18, we are throwing this throw new below age exception. So you are throwing this below age exception class object. So we are throwing that one. So that's why this function is throwing below age exception. Otherwise, this age, which is not less than 18, will be assigned to the instance variable age. So this dot age is equal to age. Now this is the display details, another method we are having, that is a member function. So here we are printing this name, the course, the age, and so on. So now let us go for our class, that is the user defined exception. This is the main function here. We have defined two objects under the application class, two objects. One is the application 1, another one is the application 2. So this is our respective name. So we have passed this Gyan and Java programming. So this name is nothing but this variable is this input parameter name will get initialized with that value, whatever is we are going to pass, and the course name will be initialized with this Java programming. So here this is my name and this is the course name we are having. So now application 1 dot display details. So the display details will be printed here. So now application 2 dot set age 17. You can find that here we have passed the age 17, which is below 18. So as a result of that, this set age, this particular method will throw below age exception. So that's why we have put this line under the try block, and try block is being followed by the catch block immediately. So below age exception, E is the object of this below age exception class, and within this catch block we are writing this E dot get message and E dot print stack trace. So now let me go for the execution of the same. So if I go on executing, you can find that the name of the student is John and applied for Java programming and taking the default age 18. So now in this case what is happening, so the application 1 dot display details, it is printing accordingly. So in the next time when we are going for this set age method will be called from this application 2, that is the application class object, passing this input argument as 17. So as the 17 is less than 18, so it is throwing new below age exception. So automatically the catch block will get the control, because this catch block is actually handling this below age exception E, and the respective code is getting printed. So E dot get message is printing this age is under 18, and E dot print stack trace is printing the respective outcome. I'm going to show you the outcome here. So this is the outcome it is going to show. So you can find that the error has occurred at the line number 44. So you see at the line number 44 the error has occurred, and line number 24 is actually throwing this below age exception. You can find that this line number 24 is here and 44 is here. So it is the respective line numbers are getting printed. So in this way, in this particular demonstration, we have discussed how we can define user defined exceptions.